In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode in Microsoft Teams. Dark mode not only looks sleek, but can be easier on your eyes, especially when working in low light conditions. Let's dive right into how you can make this switch smoothly and efficiently. Our journey begins by navigating to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and do that. It's the first step towards customizing your Teams experience to better suit your preferences. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Teams interface. You'll spot three dots lined up vertically. This is the gateway to further settings and options, so give it a click. Upon clicking, a menu will unfold, revealing several options. Among these, you'll want to locate and select Settings. It's the central hub where all customization and adjustments can be made to tailor your Microsoft Teams experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the section named Appearance and Accessibility. It's here that Microsoft Teams allows you to alter the visual aspects of your application to ensure it meets your comfort and needs. Within the Appearance and Accessibility section, you'll find the Theme drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal the available theme options. Among these, you'll see Dark. Click on Dark to select it as your preferred theme. And just like that, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Microsoft Teams. From this point forward, your Teams interface will be displayed in dark colors, making it more comfortable for you to use during those long hours or in darker environments. Remember, switching to dark mode is not only about aesthetics. It can help reduce eye strain and make text easier to read under various lighting conditions. So, give it a try and see how it transforms your Teams experience. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of enabling dark mode in Microsoft Teams. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to switch back or explore other appearance settings in Teams. Your comfort and productivity are paramount, and tailoring your tools to fit your needs is a great way to ensure both. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.